In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do your eyebrows to go from looking like this to this. I honestly always struggled with having no brows, so brows are very important. If you want to see how to get brows like this, then continue watching and let's get started. I got my brows nano bladed 4 or 5 years ago and it's still there barely, but yeah, I do tint my brows as well. There's quite literally nothing on my brows right now, so let me show you guys how I like to do my brows. Even if you don't have any brows, this should quite literally work for you still, especially if you use the techniques I use and I show you. Brows quite literally make or break the look, so definitely do your brows according to your face shape. So when I say that, I mean that your brows should always start at the bridge of your nose. Of course, it doesn't have to go all over here, because if you make it too close, you're gonna look like you have unibrow. So instead of like doing it right here, I actually move it, like you see where the hollow starts. I usually like to line it up to here. I kind of made an indent on my face, but yeah, so I'm gonna start right here, and again, I like to extend my brows a little bit. Today I'm going to be using this Mary Kay brow gel. I really like the one from She Glam that I tried recently. I actually think it's like really good in terms of the way it holds. But at the same time, that one is cheap, so there is a lot of white cast, especially after you know, after using it for a few hours, the white cast comes through. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, so whenever I do my brows, I always go the opposite way. Depending on how much brow hair you have, you're going to want to do this, so your hair is going to lay down better and it's just easier to work with. So go the opposite way, start from the end and just make sure you get every single piece of hair. And then I like to, you know, leave it on for a second while I do the other brow as well. So same thing right here. We're gonna go from here and then make sure it lays down. It's gonna take like few tries to make sure all the hairs are laid down, but it's fine. And I like to go upwards first. So get all the hair and then go back and kind of slant it and curve it. But if you have long brow hairs, then just first try slanting it. So like this. And then you can always just go back and curve it last if you have long brow hair. But I really don't, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Front right here, I'm going to just place it how I usually like it. I used up all the products on this bristle. So for this eyebrow, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start from the center, go upwards, just try laying everything down first. And then now we're gonna curve it and pressing it down. You see how I like extend it and press it? You're gonna want to do that. So the time I do leave my brows like this instead of filling it in, especially if I'm in a rush. And then I just like to wipe off the excess around my brows because I am going to be concealing it. Okay, so the brows are set and now we're gonna go and fill it in, and I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brow pencil. It is so affordable. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's under $5. Depending on the type of brows you like, I do prefer a mix of 2016 and 2023 clean brows. So I'm gonna do a mix of those, and again, I have a lot of sparse areas that I just want to fill in. So I'm going to draw a line right here so I know where to start and how far I want my brows to go, using a super light hand because this brow pencil is very pigmented. And I'm just drawing a line so I know what I'm working with. And then this is where I like to extend it just a little bit. And then again at the top, I'm not gonna go and line it just so it doesn't look dramatic. So I'm just going to draw hair-like strokes, but at the same time keeping in mind where to stop, and it's slightly filling it in while doing semi strokes. I'm just trying to blend this right here, this line, to the rest of my brows, but I do want to make this a little bit lighter than the rest of my brows. That way it doesn't look clowny. Lightly blending it, being very gentle so the brow gel doesn't disappear and get removed. There are so many amazing brow products out there, especially at the drugstore, so you really don't need to spend a lot of money. I know that I used to think that I needed the Anastasia Beverly Hill brow gel, and I even bought it, but at the same time I feel like over the years I've tried so many brow products, and drugstore honestly has some of the best products. I always say that, especially for the price you're paying. I don't think you can beat it, and if you're a beginner, definitely start with the drugstore instead of spending a lot of money for high-end products. This is very important. You need to be blending your brows in because no one likes harsh brows. Unless you like it, that's fine. But to go in with, of course, my Jones Road pencil. Of course, I have to use it. And this is honestly my favorite brow product. I use it only for my brows because I love it and I don't want to run out. So whenever I do the line for concealer, I don't go directly where I want it to curve my brows. I go a little bit down so I can take an angled flat brush, or you can do it with your finger, but that's gonna be a little bit trickier. So just take a flat brush, doesn't have to be expensive brush, and then I like to work here and slowly work my way up, and then just curving it, and yeah, and then just blend it downwards. Same thing here, just curve it, blend it downwards, and yeah, and then just go in with my finger, ring finger, or whichever finger you want, and then just blend the concealer. That's my brow routine, just 3 products, and that's all you need, and you can get it from the drugstore. But yeah, I honestly cannot stop doing this brow routine because it never lets me down, and I can always, you know, just do my brow gel or just fill it in without concealer. There's just so many ways to go around it with this brow routine to have more fuller looking brows. Definitely give this brow routine a try. Hope you found this video helpful. Please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Please just stay safe and take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.